Now, to conclude the session today, so let us, Deep, let us do a 15-minute walkthrough through the concluding remarks, and also maybe we do the final presentation. It's not a presentation; it's like there's a quick demo of our solutions. Just to make sure that the people are aware of it, the participants. Okay, so let me do that quickly because it's already too late for us. So let me share the screen. If you are aware, Deep. Okay, so.
Yeah, it's visible.
Yeah. So basically, I'll try to put the. So basically, I'm not going to talk about all this. I'll just put this table. You don't have to read it. We have, like, when you talk about ERP is not the solution for everything. So there is something called supply chain execution systems, which includes warehouse management, fleet management, transportation, manufacturing execution, order fulfillment kind of things. Now, this is the table what I generated through ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to give the breakup of individual system, and it gives you very clearly. So ERP is focusing more onto the accounting-based inventory management solution, where all the supply chain execution systems talk about primarily about taking the operations into hands of managers and then do it like a proactive management. Okay, so ERP is more or less like a reactive approach to manage the operations, whereas supply chain execution systems are more like a proactive. So you use the warehouse management system to do your day-to-day operations in a proactive way, not you complete all operations and enter the data just like into ERP. Okay, so that is something which we want to talk about. Okay, so we as a Data Labs India, okay, so we have complete suite of supply chain execution and supply chain planning. Okay, we do have strategy management solution. So we have a supply chain business networks. We build custom business network for individual supply chain organizations. And then we have a ERP solution for small mid-sized companies. And we have advisory and consulting services for a large ERP vendors like SAP, S4HANA, Microsoft Dynamics. So with these capabilities, we can help organizations to achieve supply chain excellence in real time. Okay, so I'll just skip digital manufacturing. So we have a manufacturing execution system from the way you track operation, the production costing. Okay, then all the supporting activities like a quality, energy management, and also time step done to the system. Okay, then we have, like, again, this slide tells you what is really about the level 3, which is manufacturing operations management system. Are you able to hear, Deep?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just skip quickly. So this is the outline of our manufacturing execution system. We talk about planning, production scheduling, production order processing, quality, energy, maintenance. Okay, and then you have integrations like into the supply chain, vertical integration and horizontal integration. Okay, so we talk about warehousing. So we have a complete warehouse management suite, which takes care of inbound process, the outbound process, and then the whole overall inventory management process. Of course, with the empowered by the power of artificial intelligence and process mining. These are integration friendly and also mobility. Okay, so we in the fleet management, so we talk about fleet and transportation. So we talk about load management, the trip management, fuel vehicle management kind of thing, suitable for 3PL operators, the fleet owners. Okay, and then different type of transport managers like manufacturing companies which outsource transportation, project-based companies, outsource transportation, all the things can be done. So it's a statutory module, take care of all license renewals kind of thing. The billing, accounting is there to take care of all your billing needs, integrated with artificial intelligence models. We keep on building some models. We started with container optimization. So it's a container optimization is something which we talk about. It can automatically, it will tell you how to load container effectively and to the maximization of the utilization of the space. Okay, so like and in integration, and then we do have a native integration with SAP system. Okay, so we do have global trade management to take care of end-to-end trade functions. Trade compliance is the main focus is on the trade functions. Okay, and then we have in the global trade management, we talk about end-to-end compliance module, especially suitable for the companies who wants to import or export, and then they want to manage the process themselves. Okay, and in engineering, so we do have like engineering industry, other verticals. The process defined is the modules of ERP. Okay, so we do have a demand planning module where it's artificial intelligence based demand planning module, where we talk about all the steps in achieving the demand planning excellence. Okay, so and finally we talk about supply chain business network, where all these modules and along with other solutions can build up to the holistic solution for the supply chain trading partners. They can interact, they can do like different solutions in the supply chain business network, which includes multi-level order fulfillment and demand sensing in the supply chain. Okay, so I think this is the quick presentation. It's a end of the session, so I don't want to tell you. A quick navigation is we do have a strategy solution, which is the balance scorecard OKR based solution to talk about the holistic strategy transformation. So you can define your strategy analysis, balance scorecards, initiative management, and the project management. So it will talk about the top-down approach of strategy and then connect bottom-up, link it. Okay, so we talk about supply chain execution systems. So we have a warehousing system in place. It's a multi-warehouse concept. So you can build it. It will help you to connect all different warehouses in the same system with the inter-warehouse transfers, which are sales, procurement, whether it is a warehouse billing, the operations billing, or it's a customer billing, which can be tightly integrated to any ERP. So we have a complete visibility in the supply chain and the warehouse layout. So if you do any visual depiction, so you can look at it. So if you look any users, you can also look at what is exactly going on in the warehouse management. So you can, this is explained by one of our client also during the presentation. They really like this feature so much that they really want to include everything in this. Okay, so likewise, we do have a fleet management system to talk or take care of complete fleet and transportation management with multi-organizational units. So it can be suitable for smaller truck operators, or it could be very large truck operators, all the modules. So we have a fantastic dashboards to look for. So all the data analytics can be done instantly. Okay, we do have a manufacturing execution where it's a work center based management system. Okay, so you can have track and trace of you can balance your inventory at the work center level, operational timestamps reporting. Okay, so and then you can have a complete manufacturing process. So we talk about we are actually adding a digital twin on top of it, so that you can see the manufacturing process and in the system. So we are going to add one more module very soon. Okay, so we have a standard operating processes. Then it's an SAP integration. So we recently have a modules for control system to SAP naturally integrated. The data comes, process it, and send it to warehousing. So you have a wave bridge integrator. Okay, So we have like supply chain optimization, where this is a optimization logic like linear programming, multi integer programming, or mixed integer programming. So we have a demand planning, so container optimization and inventory optimization. It's an optimization tool. So we add all optimizations like network design, production scheduling, okay, in this. And then finally, we have an ERP in place to take care of everything. This is ERP is suitable for mid-size and smaller organizations. And then if the larger organization is very large, we ask them to take ERP of your choice and then choose supply chain manage execution system, what we have. I think this is a quick navigation. With this, I will take an opportunity to thank all the participants, all the speakers, by giving a valuable time to spend very fantastic preparations. Then they shared the knowledge, and then what we will do is we will just put up all these in a video formats, and of course we take the permission from the speakers how to share the content with the audience, of course after prior approvals. Okay, and then we put it into the website based on the permissions given, whatever we want to share. Then we'll just circulate it for the later consumption of the information. Okay, so thank you very much. It has been 9 hours. Still, some audience are still available. Okay, so thank you very much, and thank you, Data Labs India team, coordinators, and the managers of this event. So thank you very much on behalf of everybody. So have a good time and take care. Thank you.